Today I will be presenting the TG-DTA technique using STA2500 instrument. Firstly, TG-DTA stands for Thermogravimetry Differential Thermal Analysis, which is a simultaneous analytical technique used to determine the percentage weight loss and the heat flow differences in a substance due to thermal event as a function of its temperature or time. The main parts of the instrument are crucible, furnace, analytical balancer, thermal sensor, detector, and a chat recorder. Coming to the working part of the instrument, which involves sample preparation, reference loading, sample loading, atmosphere control, temperature control, and then data analysis. Using this instrument, we can study thermal stability, decomposition patterns, and the phase transitions of various materials, including polymers, pharmaceuticals, and inorganic compounds. Let us try to understand the output profiles of few samples. For the first sample, in TJ profile, the first weight loss is due to loss of moisture and the second weight loss is due to decomposition. And the associated temperature differences are also clearly seen in DTA profiles. In this next sample, we are not observing moisture loss, but melting and decomposition events are clearly visible in the DTA profile. Additionally, this technique enables the evaluation of reproducibility of thermal events, as demonstrated by the consistent profiles obtained across multiple analyses. Thank you, GITAM.